It is 12:30, April 12th, 2018. And I'm sitting at my makeup table, and I do have the new table on, and it is pretty wide. It's pretty big. Yeah, I'll show you here in a minute. I have a new tripod I found yesterday at the Goodwill for $5.99, but it's one of those, like those really small ones, like you get at Target. You know, they're not the top of the line. They're like, I think either $14 or something like that. But it was brand new, and I needed something, but it's still in its box. So I don't have a tripod to put you on, and I don't have anything high enough. Anyways, I'm getting ready. I'm gonna go with my mom to go look at some mattresses. We were supposed to leave a lot earlier, but the handyman was here this morning. I mean, that's not the reason why my husband's here, but I don't know, guys. I could not wake up. Like, I could not wake up. Anyways, I need another light in here. I'm in front of a window, but still, I don't feel like it's enough lighting. Okay, I'm gonna try the Fenty Beauty, but gosh, it really looks light. I mean, really light for me. Look at that. And but she says that it oxidizes like 2 shades darker. So we're gonna see. She didn't give me a whole lot. So I'm gonna use my Tarte brush and see. Oh wow. Wow. We definitely don't need a lot. Oh my goodness. That was just what I got from the little lid area right here. I don't have any color corrector on my dark circles, but ooh, wow, wow. This is amazing, and I just used whatever was on the cap. That was it. Nothing. I mean, just a small amount. And I like to go pretty heavy, you know, because I like to cover. And I had this breakout right here. And yeah, you could still see I have a little breakout, but it's not red. You know what I mean? It's like, then I had a little one up here. Oh my goodness. Wow. I use this Tarte brush. This one here. And I just sort of stippled and buffed in some areas. Around my scarring area, I like to stipple, and then like on the, you know, where I don't have any scarring, I will buff in. But it's already set. It's already like, there's nothing for me to buff or anything. It's like set already. Wow. Okay guys, I'll be back, and then I also will show you the foundation outside. But so far in here, it's so far it applied wonderfully. And I am a 210. Like I said, she says it will darken 2 shades, so we'll see. Okay, I'll be back. I really like this foundation. I really do. Really nice, guys. Really nice. Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, get something light. Wash your hands. I'm going to show you what my husband's doing over here. My daughter's room. Let me show you. It's not, it's going to be hard to see, but let me show you. That's stuff we got at IKEA. It's one of those cubes kind of a thing. And then over here is the other half. I'm giving her this table right here. This was my makeshift makeup table that I was using. And before that, in the old house, it was a table that I used for where my computer was. Oops. And he just got finished doing my mom's stuff. Plus this different lighting. And you know what? It has changed. About 2 shades darker. She wasn't kidding. Yeah. Perfect. So 210 is my shade. For sure. I'm going to have to go pick up my daughter here in a bit. So let me show you the makeup table. I still have so much to do. You know, do you ever have those days where you have things you have to get done or you want to get done, but the day seems to be taking you in a direction that you're not doing much of what you want to do? That's how my day is. Okay, let me show you. I just put on my makeup. But, yeah, this is how it is. It really comes out quite a bit from here to here. It's like a lot of room. It's more room than I've had ever, really. So I'm going to see what I can do today to organize this a little bit. This here came out of this here. This was what I used to use. This is the old makeup table that I had. And, yeah. And so right here, I want to buy the cubes that go up like that. But I don't know if I'll have any room for that. I don't think I will. My husband says I will, but I don't think so. I don't think so. So I want to get rid of boxes. That's what I want to do. I don't want to see any more boxes in my room. The TV will be going up today, I think. I'm not sure. But that's what should be going up if my husband has the time. So far I put my little birds over there. That might get moved. Picture frames down there. And I have to go through these 2 boxes here. My printer, I think, is going to go in my closet, but I'm not sure. Yes, sweetheart. Okay, honey. Wash your hands, please. And then I'm going to rearrange all of that there. So yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm just going to move my makeup table this way. I don't know, guys. We'll see. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go through this box right here, which has all of my kids' books. Not all of them. They put them in this box when we packed, and now they don't want them, but I think there are books in there that they do want. I just don't think they wanted to deal with the box. Yes. Yes.
I don't know.
What is this, baby?
She was doing that. She was like...
Oh, tweezers? Okay, she needs tweezers. Here. Evan, these books that are in here, some of those books are yours that you wanted.
What?
In that box. Yeah. You want those books? Some of them were like Goosebumps and...
I only want Diane and
That's it? You don't want any of the other ones? Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go through that real quick and then I'll be back. It is 6:30 and I'm just cleaning up. Mom is, I would show you her room, but she's not here and I don't want to go in there if she's not here. But Mom is, she went to go buy herself a bed or mattresses, but she wants one of those ones that go up like that. It's like Sleep Number, but it goes up. So she went to go to a couple places around town. We were supposed to go together, but with all the projects that are here and my husband working on the projects, I had to do the cleaning and stuff. So, you know, it got a little rough. Plus, I started my day late. And so, and she started her day late. So it just got behind. So she went to go do that. My mom is very independent, let me tell you. Very independent person. Now I'm just cleaning up the kitchen. I'm sweeping and I'll be mopping here soon. The only one down here is my dog Chulo. Ooh, excuse the hair, guys. I was laying on the couch for a little bit. But anyways, I wanted to show you, I got my last 2 boxes from Ulta. This, I did an order in on the last day of the 21 Days of Beauty. I did the MAC Prep and Prime, and then I did the, I know the Urban Decay palette, but the very, very tiny one. I'll show you guys all that. So that just came in right now. Trying to make a little bit more sense now that my mom's stuff is pretty much out. She just has those things there that she's working on, and then that, and it takes time, you know. It's not like something that can be done all in one day, you know what I mean? So she was like, oh, Mija, your house is looking messy up here, and I'm like, don't even sweat it. I told her take her time, however long it takes her to organize and how she wants her room. Don't even worry about any of this stuff, right? Because I've been there and I'm still there. My room upstairs, I'll show you here in a little bit. I saved my mom she didn't eat dinner with us, so I saved her plate. Hopefully she didn't eat. She'll eat at home. My mom, you know, she's, you know what, I thought it would take her a little bit more to adapt. I don't know why I thought that, but my gosh, she's so happy. She had her music blasting earlier today. She was in the kitchen and she just had her music blasting. And I like to see that. I like to hear her play her music. I like that because I feel like she's happy. And I was worried that, you know, I haven't lived with my mom since I first got married. And I got married young. I think, what was I, 20? With my first marriage, I was 20. We haven't lived together since. And I'm gonna be 50 here this year. And I don't know, I mean, I know it's just one day, but I don't know. I just, you know. But my worry was that she wouldn't be happy. Like, I thought she would be, what did I think? Because we're far out from like her family and my brothers and sister-in-laws, and she's far out. Not terribly, guys. I mean, she could drive there, but it's not the same. It's not the same when you could just drive 10 minutes or whatever to someone's house. And her mom and everything, and I don't know, I just thought maybe she'd be, you know, I don't know what I thought. I just thought she would kind of be like, oh, kind of down. But no, she's very happy. Oh, sorry guys. She's very happy. Or so far anyway. Like I said, it's only been a day. We were making fun of her because my mom loves technology. Okay. She's more technically savvy than me. I could go with a cell phone. And I know some of you who've been with me for a while, I've had my cell phone one year. I mean, it was considered a dinosaur. It was so slow and everything, and I had that. I'm not one to change out phones. But anyway, my mom, she's very, 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 very savvy, and when it comes to technology. And she's always been that way. Ever since I was little. And my husband set up a surround system for her, and her room's the smallest room of the house, but she has surround sound. She has a big TV. It's up on the wall, high up on the wall. And we were teasing her today. We were like, Mom, you're not in a theater. I'll show you when she gets home. Anyways, I'm gonna finish cleaning. I've been talking for 10 minutes, good Lord. I'll be back, guys. I'm just gonna go through mopping and sweeping, and that box right there is the last of the kitchen. Believe it or not, I still have one more box to go through, and all it is the plastic containers, you know, what I call the Tupperware, you know, the storage containers. Some don't have lids, so I'm gonna get rid of the things that I don't want to use anymore. Some are old and stained. You know how they get sometimes. So I'm going to go through that and then probably vacuum. But for that, I need my oldest to bring me down the vacuum. I need to buy like a very small vacuum for downstairs because it's just 3 area rugs, and upstairs all the rooms have carpeting, so I keep it upstairs. And it's not a light vacuum. It's pretty heavy. So, okay guys, I'll be back and I'll show you my mom's room and I'll show you what I'm doing upstairs when I get up there. Okay, I'm gonna show you my mom's TV. Now that she's home. Let me show you. Now she hasn't finished, but look at this. Guys, what is that? Look at this. What is that? All my kids come in here like, whoa, that's high. So, okay, and then she's got her little wild vines. This is a blackberry with her little shots here. But she's got somebody going, shh, don't tell anybody. Okay? Look at that. Merlot. Look at that. Shh. Okay, I already cleaned up there. Did all that. I'm just going to go. I already vacuumed, mop, everything. I'm going to go through this. And then I'll take you upstairs. My oldest got news. He got hired on at a new company, ambulance service company, which is going to be, you know, more critical care type service that he'll be doing now. So he's just waiting on orientation day. So really proud of him, and he's studying right now, doing his homework. So yeah, he just found out. When did you find out? Yesterday. That he got hired onto this new company, and like I said, it's more emergency experience, more emergency calls out. I think a bigger city.
What do you mean?
No, it's not a bigger city for you. It's just more emergency calls, huh? Yeah. Okay, guys. And then let me show you this plate here. This plate, when I was born, is from 1968, and my mom got it when I was born. And she gave it to me after all these years. Oops, sorry guys. So it says 1968 right there. And then this is all the months. And there's fading on the eagle where it says USA. There's a little bit of fading on the eagle. And fading on the decorations and stuff like that. It's 9:30 and I'm tired. Tired. I think that's better. I was going to show you what I did in my room, but I came up here earlier without the camera and then I forgot. But basically I found one more box of eBay clothes. That was there earlier. It was all eBay clothes. Not a lot, but I wanted to show you. Anyways, that's it guys. I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to take my makeup off and watch a little YouTube videos, and yeah, I sorted out the laundry too. Everything's sorted, so tomorrow I could just do laundry and everything is, you know, all the colors are together. So I got that done today. So I'm glad. I feel like I look kind of funny. There we go. The lighting in the bathroom is pretty good. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Tomorrow we're supposed to go to Aldi and I'm really excited. We didn't get to go to Costco today, but tomorrow we will go because I don't have any more cleaning products. I only have very little to do the toilets for tomorrow, and after that I don't have any more. I want to go to Dollar Tree and get that my favorite thing to clean the bathtubs, which is called the Works. It's my favorite thing, so I'll go there, and then we'll go to Aldi's, and they have a Dollar Tree right next door, so we'll go together. So anyways guys, that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching my vlog and spending the day with me a little bit. I really appreciate it. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.